Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Minolta 20MP 26x Optical Zoom digital camera. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking for an affordable yet powerful camera, this one might just fit the bill. First off, let's talk about the image quality. With a stunning 20-megapixel sensor, the Minolta captures sharp, vibrant images that are perfect for both everyday moments and special occasions. The details are impressive, whether you're taking close-ups or landscapes. The 26x optical zoom is a game changer. It allows you to zoom in on subjects without losing clarity. I had a great time experimenting with it during my recent trip to the mountains, capturing wildlife from a distance without disturbing them. The 1080p Full HD video capability is another fantastic feature. The video quality is crisp and clear, making it ideal for vlogging or recording family events. The stabilization is decent, ensuring your videos are smooth even when you're on the move. I found this particularly helpful while filming during a hike. The footage turned out great. The camera's design is user-friendly, with intuitive controls that make it easy for both beginners and more experienced photographers to navigate. The LCD screen is bright and clear, allowing for easy composition of shots, even in bright sunlight. I also appreciated the lightweight design, which made it easy to carry around all day without feeling weighed down. One aspect worth mentioning is the battery life. It lasts quite a while, but I recommend carrying a spare if you plan on using it extensively, especially for video recording. In summary, the Minolta 20MP 26x Optical Zoom digital camera is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a versatile and affordable digital camera. It delivers excellent image quality, impressive zoom capabilities, and solid video performance, all packed into a user-friendly design. Whether you're capturing memories with friends and family or exploring the great outdoors, this camera won't disappoint. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this camera, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.